Hello guys, good day. Today we are going to be talking about how to get into the petroleum industry, into the oil and gas industry without having a petroleum engineering background. But before I get started, I will still say please don't forget to hit on that notification bell. Also to like and follow, subscribe to our page to follow our trainings, our lectures on the oil and gas, on the petroleum world itself. So many people have asked about how to get into the oil and gas business, how to get into the oil and gas industry if they are not having the petroleum engineering background. Some people say should they go back to ask some people have asked, sorry, if they should go back to the college and register for a master degree or in petroleum engineering. So today we are going to give you some tricks, some pieces of advices of how you can go about it. Okay. Thank you. Let's keep the ball rolling. The first advice that I will give you is that you is the networking. Okay, the networking, it means that you surround yourself with the people who are into the business you want to get into. Okay, now we are talking about the oil and gas, so you surround yourself with the professionals of the oil and gas, and the biggest network of the professionals of the oil and gas is the SPE, the Society of Petroleum Engineers. So you can register with the Society of Petroleum Engineers. Either you go the technical way or the professional membership. Okay, if you choose the technical membership, that's where you will build these technical skills that will help you to get into the position that you are actually looking for. You can either go for the professional track. That means that's where you will surround yourself. You will come across, you will meet professionals of the field, and that will also help you to reach where you are trying to go. Okay, to reach the right position that you are looking for. Okay, so that was the first piece of advice that we could give you, the networking. Okay. Another advice that I would give if you want to get into the petroleum industry, the oil and gas industry, and you are actually not having the petroleum engineering background, is that you can take some courses, whether online or not, some courses that are related to the oil and gas industry. Okay, these courses may not come directly from the oil and gas, but which are related. I will take some courses like data science, data analysis, and so on, or financial analysis. This industry, the oil and gas industry, is vast, and the oil and gas industry also employ a lot of professionals. Even people from the banking system work in the oil and gas. They are lawyers in the oil and gas industry. Okay, so you have to take some courses that can be helpful to the oil and gas industry, and you make yourself known. If you have to keep in mind that if you know and nobody knows that you know, in fact, your knowledge would not be helpful. You have to make yourself known, and people should know that you know what you're doing. And see how helpful you can be. So that was my second piece of advice. Another advice, the last one that I can give, is that you actually go back to education. And if you have time to go back for education, it does not mean that you must go back for a master degree or whatever, right? But you just register for trainings or I mean certifications that will help you to get into the oil and gas. Nowadays we are talking about environmental issues. You know that the oil and gas industry is the highly polluting industry around the world. So if you are having a, I don't know, environmental background or a biological background or whatsoever, you can go into the risk analysis or the environmental and social impact assessment, and so on. That will still help you to enter into the oil and gas industry. As a matter of fact, I am a petroleum engineer, but I have also conducted an environmental and social impact studies for a project in Africa. Okay, so it means that you don't need to have a petroleum engineering background before you get into the oil and gas. You can have a mechanical background, can have an electrical background. You have to know that when you are I mean, when you are in the oil and gas, you will meet a lot of people from different background. You have to show that at least you can work from people from different culture, from different background, from people who come from all around the world, and you have to work as a team with people. That's how you can get into the oil and gas. So keep in mind all these three advices that I have given to you, and I will still say that you can use another techniques. I will also be happy to learn. Don't be narrow. Don't say you must go back to the university to register for a master degree. No, I think that will just be a waste of time unless you have nothing doing with your life or with your career. Okay, try one of these three pieces of advices that I have given, and I'm sure that you will succeed. Okay, let's. I think we will meet for the next training. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell. As I said, don't forget to register and follow our channel. We'll continue offering trainings to you guys. Thank you very much.